The UN Security Council will convene an emergency meeting on Sunday over deadly clashes in the Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo after Kinshasa withdrew its diplomats from Kigali as Rwanda-backed rebels advanced on the key city of Goma. Sanapina mashoko atina kuti awa UN yava kutya regional wars ari kuitika ku DRC neRwanda conflict. Panapa sanapina mashoko atakuona kuti vakomana vakuda kugara pasi vaizama kuda kusaini peace munyika yeDRC. Ndokuba subscribe or like watambopenda kuti mina panapa mudanyira chiti. On Saturday, 3 countries, South Africa, Malawi and Uruguay, announced the deaths of some of their soldiers serving as peacekeepers in the conflict zone, 13 in all. South Africa's defense ministry said Saturday that it lost 9 members by Friday. A Malawian army spokesman said 3 of its soldiers with the SADC force also died during clashes. Uruguay's military announced that one of its members serving with the UN peacekeepers had been killed and 4 others wounded. SADC has condemned the attacks that the Rwanda-backed M23 rebels and vowed to continue its mission in DRC. SADC reaffirms its unwavering commitment to continue supporting the DRC in its pursuit of safeguarding its independence, sovereignty, and territorial integrity, as well as sustainable peace, security, and development. To this end, the SAMIDRC will remain resolute in supporting efforts aimed at addressing the unstable and deteriorating security and humanitarian situation prevailing in Eastern DRC, SADC said in a statement on Saturday. The United Nations mission in the Democratic Republic of Congo said its quick reaction forces had been actively engaged in intense combat with its heavy artillery firing against M23 positions. Thomas Kwanobuda panapationa kuti aiwa nawiri kutika ku DRC yatozonyanya tokuna tunya kuna United Nations yakuti aiwa we have to convene togara pasi tona kuti tigaisa sei tunyararo nyika yeDRC pamwe chete nemaclashes aiwa neRwanda. Pine kumeseshe medu mzee mafumuro enyu. Subscribe.